Hey guys, it's Susan from Tamagems. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's having a really great day. I hope everything's going good. Everybody's healthy and well. So far so good over on this side. I want to show you what I just made. I made these beautiful cluster earrings. They're so pretty. I have to show this cluster necklace to you. I made this a while ago and I thought this would go really well with the cluster earrings. So if you're interested in this video, you'll find the link in the description box. So let's get started making these beautiful earrings. Okay, to get started making these beautiful earrings, you will need some head pins. These are 2 inches and they are 24 gauge and you'll need 12 of these. You'll also need a little rhinestone spacer and a twisted jump ring. You'll also need some freshwater pearls. You'll need 3 of them, and some little gold beads. You'll also need 3 of these. You'll need some green pearls. These are Czech glass in like a peachy pink color. And then you'll need some black crystals and 3 Czech glass daisies. You'll also need a larger gold spacer bead. And then for the pearl, you'll need your rectangle shaped pearl that's drilled from top to bottom and a 3-inch head pin. For tools, you'll need your chain nose pliers, your flush cutters, and your round nose pliers. Okay, so first we're going to get started making our clusters. We're going to take a head pin and we're going to put it through our bead like that. So what we're going to do with this one is use our black crystal. Oops. Put this on first and then put our daisy spacer on. With the pearl, we're going to go right through to find the hole first. See if I can get the head pin through here. And then with the pearl, we're going to put the pearl on and then put our gold bead on. So this is our configuration. We've got black and red. We've got our little peach. We've got our pearl with our gold bead, and we have a green pearl. So we're going to string it all like this, all of these. Okay, now that we have our head pins on all of our beads, we're going to form our loops. What we need for this we need round nose pliers, and I'm just going to take my fingernail, put it right on top of the bead, and bring the wire to the back. Because this is a 24 gauge head pin, it's very soft, and I can push it to the back with my fingernail. Then I'm going to cut. So I have about 1 centimeter of wire sticking out. And then I'm going to put the wire towards the tip of my round nose pliers, and then I'm going to roll it towards me. And I'm just going to keep rolling until I reach the top of the bead, like that. Okay, let me show you how to do another one. The same way, putting our fingernail at the top and bending it to the back. I'm going to go ahead and cut. Pinching it down towards the end of my wire, I'm going to go ahead and roll it towards me, adjusting my pliers as I roll until I come to the top of my pearl. Okay, I'm going to continue doing everything the same way, and then I will meet you back here. So we're all done, and now we have 3 peach, we have 3 of the green, we have 3 pearls, and we have 3 of our burgundy flowers with our black crystals. What we're going to do is bring in our 3-inch head pin, slip that on, we're going to put on our twisted jump ring and our rhinestone spacer. And now we're going to start stacking our clusters on. I'm going to start with a green. I'm going to go with a pink, red, and white. And you can do this in any order that you prefer. See how pretty it is so far? Pink, green, red, and white. I'm going to keep going until I have all 9 of them on top of my pearl. Oops. I go the red and follow it up with the white. And then I'm actually going to put on the top of this, well, first I'm going to shake it down. And on the top of that, I'm going to put a larger gold bead, kind of to set it in there. And then what you can do once you have everything on, you can move it around before you make your loop on the top to see which way you want the front to be. And I think that looks pretty. Well, this looks pretty too. So you move it around to your liking before you cinch up the top. Okay, for the top, I'm actually going to make a wrap loop. So I'm going to go ahead and pinch it down. I'm going to bring the wire, let me move this around. Okay, that's my front, to the back. I'm going to bring my round nose pliers in, make a fairly larger loop, not at the bottom, but kind of like a third of the way up my barrel. Then I'm going to come up, over, down, rotate my pliers, and bring the wire to the back. Okay, then I have to push the loop that I just made open. I'm going to slip this on. I'm going to pinch down the loop that I just made with my chain nose pliers. And then I'm going to come around and wire wrap. Then I'm going to cut off the excess. Pinch down the little burr that's sticking up. And there you have your beautiful cluster earrings. So sweet. I hope this video was helpful for you in making your next pair of cluster earrings. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.